boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. Cool song here from NAS. He's sitting with his thoughts, and we're gonna learn this playing here for the song. We have 4 chords, okay? So we have the best scenario here with capo on the 1st fret. So we're gonna look at that. So sitting with my thoughts goes with the A sharp chord. We're gonna use the sus version, and then C, D minor, and F, okay? So, starting with the A sharp, we have a bar chord here, bar on the 1st fret. You don't have to bar the last E string here in the bass. You could if you wish, so it's up to you, but anyway, you need 5 strings below, and then you need to add 3rd on D and 3rd on G. The next chord is C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have D minor, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And the final chord is F. So now I have a bar chord again, still here on the 1st fret. This time you bar all strings, okay? And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And since F and A sharp were very tight connected, in this song here it goes pretty fast between the chords. You can actually, on the A sharp chord, grab a full bar there, even on the bass string there, so you are ready for the F when it comes, okay? So some technical tip there, or actually it's the other way around. When you do the F, right after comes the A sharp, so you can just keep the bar there from the F and just recuperate the rest of the fingers like this, okay? So that's that. Let's take a look at the strumming pattern here. So we're gonna start with the A sharp, okay? So grab that one. So we have this pretty much in 2 different parts here, the strumming, okay? Gonna use that later. So we're gonna play first the full string round, and then I'm gonna teach you how to split it, okay? So 1 full round goes like this. Okay, so the first part will be down, clap, up, up, down. So down, clap, up, up, down. And that's short ups there, so you don't go full up like this, just turn your wrist 2 times, so. Okay, so down, clap, up, up, down. And then the next part here, the part 2 will be clap down. So very easy part 2 here. So if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, clap, up, down, clap, down. All right, so a couple rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm goes. And so on. All right, so we have the chord progression: A sharp, then C, then D minor. You're gonna play that D minor 1 full round plus part 1. So that will be down, clap, up, down, clap, down, clap, up, down. And when you play that up, down, you go fast to F and play, instead of playing part 2, you play just 2 downs, okay? So down, down on F. And then you quickly change again back to A sharp and start another round. So that is a pretty fast change there between the chords. So that's the reason for why I'm saying that you can just keep the bar there from F, and then when you play the 2 downs, down, down, and then you just go down like this to get a new start here with A sharp. So slowly it goes. And so on, you're around there. Okay, so that is pretty much how you play NAS Sitting With My Thoughts. You play it out through the entire song. Good luck with that. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, feel free to support me here in Going Guitar. Appreciate that a lot. So thank you and play tuned.